Before starting this video guys, here I want to show you something that how much time I am taking to draw this diagram in easy way. And after watching this video, I hope you can able to draw this diagram very easily and short period of time. Then please guys don't forget to like and share this video with your friends and help them to draw this diagram in easy way. And support us to achieve 1000 like in this video. And if you want GIF step-by-step tutorial, then please check out our website fineartsguruji.com. Here you will get image plus GIF step-by-step tutorial. और अगर आप इस वीडियो को हिंदी में देखना चाहते हैं then प्लीज़ चेक करें डिस्क्रिप्शन में, मैंने वहाँ पर ऑलरेडी इसका लिंक दे दिया है। नमस्कार दोस्तों, मेरा नाम है संजय और आज के इस वीडियो में मैं आपको दिखाऊंगा कैसे आप आसानी से ह्यूमन हार्ट का डायग्राम इजीली ड्रॉ कर सकते हैं। और मैं आशा करता हूँ गाइस की वीडियो आपको अच्छी लगेगी। दैन प्लीज़ इसे लाइक करिएगा और शेयर करिएगा अपने दोस्तों के साथ, ताकि हम ऐसा ढेर सारे वीडियोस आपके लिए फ्री ऑफ कॉस्ट में बना सके। सो विदाउट वेस्टिंग एनी टाइम गाइस, लेट्स बिगिन दिस वीडियो। Alright guys, so first of all we have to draw here an egg like this. It will be a little bit tilted towards left. If you can't able to draw like this, then rotate your copy and make it possible. Here I have used this egg outline, which makes this diagram very easy, as you have seen. So follow me along guys, and I hope you will enjoy this tutorial a lot. And wherever you can't able to draw step by step with me, you can pause this video and make it possible. So after drawing the outline of egg, then we will draw a structure inside this egg like this. Then we will fold it from here and take it up and then fold it again. So it is so much easy guys. If you are watching this video and then make it possible, start drawing with me. It will be helpful for you. After drawing this inner structure guys, then we will erase it from here like this. We draw the structure from here a little bit outside of this outline. And here I have erased this outline, head part, or you can say base part of this egg, and we will use it also in the coming steps, so you will see it. If you can't able to understand my language, then you can also visit to our website, where you will get image plus GIF tutorial step by step. Then guys, we will draw a parallel line to this one, and then after from here we will draw same parallel inside this outline. Okay, so follow me along guys, step by step. So after completing this whole diagram guys, then we will use our mechanical pencil and draw these blood circulation arrows like this. So if you want to watch more videos of class 10, then please don't forget to hit like on this video and also check out our more videos. Link is given on the description. So after completing these arrows, then we will play a small interesting game. Here you have to say the names before me. This will help you to remember or revision the names of this diagram. And one thing I remember when I was class 10th student, there is a confusion. Where is right and where is left? Especially in when we are labeling the name of left ventricle or right ventricle, we have huge confusion. So that's why guys I have placed this image. You can see here, you can place yourself in the front of this diagram and you will got the answer. I hope guys अब आपको दिक्कत नहीं होगा right ventricle और left ventricle में. So let me know guys, first one name. So this one is septum. Then next one guys, जल्दी से बताओ अगला कौन सा है. So this one is right ventricle. अब आपका confusion clear हो गया होगा. So let me know what next. So this one is vena cava from lower body. Next one guys, जल्दी से बताओ. So this one is right atrium. So let me know what next guys. So this one is vena cava from upper body. अगर आपने बताया तो आप सही है. Then let me know what next. So this one is aorta. Then next one guys, जल्दी से बताओ इसके बाद कौन सा है. So this one is pulmonary arteries. Then guys इसके नीचे, so this one is pulmonary veins. Then next one guys, जल्दी से बताओ. So this one is left atrium. Then next one and last one guys, जल्दी से बताओ. So this one is left ventricle. I hope guys you have played this game with me and enjoy it a lot. Then please don't forget to like and share for more videos like this. So मैं आशा करता हूँ guys कि ये वीडियो आपको अच्छी लगी होगी. Then please जल्दी से लाइक करें, शेयर करें अपने दोस्तों के साथ. अगर आप ऐसा ढेर सारे वीडियोस क्लास 10 के चाहते हैं, कमेंट करें अपने व्यूज़ कि ये वीडियो आपको कैसे लगी. और अगर आप ऐसा ढेर सारे वीडियोस चाहते हैं, then प्लीज़ हमारे चैनल को सब्सक्राइब कर ले और साथ में बेल आइकन को भी क्लिक कर ले. मिलते हैं अगले वीडियो में गाइस ऐसा ढेर सारे वीडियोस के साथ. बेस्ट ऑफ लक फॉर योर एग्जामिनेशन. सी यू सून. Thanks for watching.